Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to create image in Bluewillow AI. The process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and please do not skip any part of the video. So let's get started without wasting any time. First you can see that this is my Bluewillow server. I'm going to put the link for this in the description box and you can access it for free from there. You just have to click the link in description box and you will land on this site. Now if you want to produce images on Bluewillow, you just have to click this Bluewillow option, and then from here you have to scroll down to these rookies and select any one of these. I'm going to select this one. After that you can see that I have to be a member for at least 10 minutes to send a message in this server, and my 4 minutes are still remaining. I will be back once this timer is off. Meanwhile, I'm going to tell you about this TempMail. TempMail is a software that generates temporary emails for you that are disposable, that you can use for softwares like these and get free credits. So if you want, you can use TempMail. If you want to use your personal email, you can use your personal email too. It's your personal choice. So I'll be back after this timer gets off. Now you can see that the timer is off and my message option is available now. Now I just simply have to create a prompt, generate a prompt. For that I am going to put / and then select imagine. After that I am going to write any prompt, the type of image that I want. For example, I write sunset and then I'll click enter. Now you can see that it will generate 4 images for me. I just have to wait for a little while. You have to be patient for this step and wait for your turn. Now you can see that it has generated these 4 sunset images for me. This is how you can create images on Bluewillow. I hope you liked this process and found it easy. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.